Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Phoneum and other apps that you can install on your phone and how you can get a source of passive income by only using them once a week. And also I'm gonna tell you how you can exchange your Phoneum tokens into other cryptocurrency or fiat. Phoneum is a Tron-based token that can be exchanged and traded on the Probit exchange, and its current price on CoinMarketCap is 0.00033 cents. Besides claiming your mining rewards once a week, you can also play the 4 games that Phoneum has to offer in order to earn even more Phoneum tokens. As you can see, there are 2.5 million downloads, 1.7 million active players, and a 4.5 out of 5 rating, and also there is a 5 billion total supply of PHT, which 3.3 is a circulating supply at the moment. And as I said in the beginning of this video, I will also tell you how you can exchange your Phoneum tokens into other cryptocurrency or fiat. And for that, you will need a Probit account and a wallet like a Coinbase wallet or a Binance wallet. Firstly, you will have to send your Phoneum tokens to your Probit account. And to do that, you will go to your Phoneum app and go to withdraw and enter your Probit account address. And that transfer is going to take about 36 hours, but then you will have your Phoneum tokens into your Probit account. After your tokens have been deposited in your Probit account, you will need to make a Binance or a Coinbase wallet. And to be able to send your tokens to your wallet and then to your bank account, you will have to exchange your tokens into USDT. After exchanging your tokens into USDT, you can then simply send them to your wallet and into your bank account, and that's it. I know there are a lot of people who are using this app. I'm one of them, and I can honestly say that this is a real app based on a real token that gives you real money. So in case you want to start with this app, I will leave my invite code in the description down below so you can get some extra Phoneum tokens. And that's about it for today, guys. Hopefully this video is useful in some sort of way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in case you have any questions or video suggestions, you can just leave them in the comments down below. I check every single comment. And until next time, I hope you have an amazing day.